In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu in Singapore, even though the service isn't officially available in the country. Let's get started. Since Hulu is only accessible in the US, you'll need a virtual private network, VPN, to bypass geo restrictions. Start by subscribing to a reliable VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN and download the app on your device. Install the app, log into your account, and connect to a server located in the United States. Once connected, open the Hulu website or app, sign into your Hulu account, or create one if you don't already have it, and start streaming your favorite shows. The VPN masks your location, making it appear as though you're browsing from the US while also keeping your connection secure. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming Hulu in Singapore.